Mr. Chair, my feelings as an educator of over 30 years are not a secret on this matter. There is no research that is peer-reviewed, no research that has been published in educational journals that show a single test is the best and most efficient way of identifying students for a specialized program. It just doesn't happen. So as an educator, I can't support a single test. But I would take it one step further. The legislature, the Senate, and the Assembly should not be a school board. You should not be in the business of admissions policies for one city in the state of New York. And more so, I have now worked in 5 states, in 5 large urban school systems, and I have never seen a legislature to that extent be involved in the admissions process of a single school district in their state. So as I mentioned in my testimony, I do support the fact I do support the repeal of Hecht-Calandra. Just get out of the school board business. You passed mayoral accountability. Hold the mayor, hold the chancellor accountable for an enlightened policy. And I look forward to working with members of the Senate and the members of the Assembly in getting to a place where we do have an enlightened policy. But get out of the school board business. You have bigger fish to fry.